I think I'm going to be running along that ridge right there. All right, this is the parking lot. It's getting late. We got to get moving. Beautiful views right along this ridge. Phone keeps dying even though it's fully charged. It's just so cold. It's about 25. So it got really cold and my camera or my iPhone kept dying because it was too cold, I guess, for the batteries. So I had to keep it warm and warm it up just so that I could take little short snippets of video. Anyway, I passed a southbound hiker. He had hiked from Katahdin all the way to the parking area right before McAfee's Knob. So I think he had missed a section of trail, so he had only hiked about 1,000 miles, but he was glad to be back in his car, and he said he's hiking the rest of it next summer. His trail name was First Aid. And I saw a couple other hikers who were just up there for the evening, but it was so cold they had decided to pack it out and go stay in a hotel in Roanoke. So it was a good time, and I really pushed the limits and got back in the dark, and it was really cold. Anyway, thanks for watching.